So I hope you know the term slowly and suddenly in this particular problem. Whenever they are talking about slowly, this means isothermal process. And when it means suddenly, that means adiabatic process. So let's start with this. When they are talking about the process being slow, then I can say PV is equals to constant. This is the equation for
Sir, slowly में तो isothermal में तो temperature constant
isothermal process. So P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2. So if the pressure, so slowly means that the gas temperature is not going to change. We don't need to even apply this. The temperature is going to remain constant. So initial temperature was 27 degrees centigrade. So the final temperature will also be 27 degree centigrade. Now, when they are talking about sudden process, sudden is adiabatic. The equation of adiabatic process is
P1 P1 gamma is equal to P2 V2.
PV raised to the power of gamma is equals to constant, that is P1 V1 gamma is equals to P2 V2 gamma. This is one. Okay, this does not relate the temperature. So there was another formula relating the temperature also. T1 V1 gamma minus 1 is equals to T2 V2 gamma minus 1. So here we are going to find this particular equation to be useful. Now look at this. What was the initial temperature? 27 degrees centigrade. So T1 will be equals to how many Kelvin? 21 is equals to 27 degrees centigrade, which is equals to 300 Kelvin. कैसे आया? 27 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में 273 आपने ऐड कर दिया, तो T1 common mistake. If you are going to take temperature in degree centigrade, this is going to go wrong. Here what is required? The temperature must be taken in Kelvin, that is absolute scale. So that is one of the common mistakes that you can commit over here, that you are thinking that temperature must be taken in degree Celsius scale. Don't do that. Convert the temperature in Kelvin scale. So here temperature becomes now 300. What is the initial volume? Initial volume V. How much is gamma? Gamma is 1.5 minus 1. T2, that's what you are looking to find it out. Now what you have done? You have compressed it to initial volume 1/4. So V by 4. And 1.5 minus 1. So 300 into V ki power half is equals to T2 V ki power V upon 4 whole ki power, again 1.5 minus 1 is 0.5 or half. Is that clear? Is this clear to everyone? So what I need to do? This can be written as 300 V ki power half T2 equals to T2 V ki power 0.5 or half. Let's write it down as half. And upon 4 ki power half. What is 4 ki power half? That is 2. So 300 into V ki power half is equals to T2 into V ki power half upon 2. This V half cancels out. Therefore you get T2 as 600 Kelvin. But we do not require to mention the answer in Kelvin. So 600 minus 273, and that comes out to be 327 degrees Celsius. So this is how you are going to obtain these, or you are going to solve these problems. Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.